Let me ask you something. Do you love watching movies? What if I told you you can improve your English just by watching movies? Sounds fun, right? But also sounds too easy? Well, it's actually true. And today, I'm going to show you how watching English movies can improve your communication skills faster than you think. First, let's understand one thing. Learning English is not just about grammar. It's about how you speak, how you listen, and how you express your thoughts. And movies help you with all three. Let's start with the first benefit, listening. When you watch English movies, you hear real conversations, not textbook English, not slow English, real, natural, fast English. At first, you may not understand everything. That's okay. Your brain is learning. Slowly, you start catching words, then sentences, then full conversations. Second, pronunciation. Movies help you hear how words are actually spoken, because sometimes English is not spoken the way it is written. For example, going to becomes gonna done want to becomes wanna. By watching movies, you learn these naturally. Third, vocabulary. Movies teach you real-life words, not just formal words, but daily conversation words. For example, what's going on? Give me a break. I'm on my way. These are the phrases people actually use. Fourth, confidence. When you watch characters speak English, you start imagining yourself speaking too. You feel more comfortable, more familiar, and slowly, your fear reduces. Now, here's the important part. Just watching movies is not enough. You need to watch them the right way. Step 1. Start with subtitles. Watch movies with English subtitles. Read and listen at the same time. This helps your brain connect sound with words. Step 2. Pause and repeat. When you hear a good sentence, pause. Repeat it. Copy the tone, the speed, the emotion. This improves your speaking fast. Step 3. Watch again. Don't just watch once. Watch the same movie again. Second time, you understand more. Third time, you understand even better. Step 4. Choose the right movies. Start with simple movies. Slow dialogue. Clear pronunciation. Avoid very fast or complex movies at the beginning. Step 5. Practice after watching. Don't just watch and forget. Use what you learned. Speak sentences. Repeat dialogues. Try to use them in your daily life. And here's one more powerful trick. Try shadowing. Listen to a dialogue and speak along with the character at the same time. This improves your fluency and pronunciation very quickly. Now imagine this. You watch movies every day for just 20 minutes, and you practice what you hear. In a few weeks, your English will improve naturally, without stress, without boring study. But remember, consistency is the key. Not one movie, not one day, every day. Even small effort gives big results. Also, don't worry if you don't understand everything. No one does. Even advanced learners don't understand 100%. Focus on progress, not perfection. And one more powerful tip. Choose movies you enjoy. Action, comedy, drama, anything you like. Because when you enjoy, you learn faster. So from today, don't just watch movies for entertainment. Watch them for learning. Listen carefully. Repeat confidently. Practice daily. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite English movie? And I'll see you in the next lesson. Let's make English easy, fun, and powerful.